I love when people say free college. People got to work hard. They shouldn't have anything free in life. Let's be clear how hard these students work. I sat down with some of the College Promise students a few weeks ago to ask them what we could do to continue improving the program. They're working their tails off. They're doing their homework on their phones. They're working a job. They're raising kids. They're trying to get through school. And the fact that over 50% of more students from LAUSD are going full-time in just the first year and a half of this program to our community colleges speaks volumes not about the leadership here, but of the hard work and dreams right there. That we need to reward. So, we need AB2. 2 years of free community college. 2 years of dreams. 2 years of free opportunity to work hard and to find what your goals are.
So some people say, is it just free? No, there's skin in the game for students. Skin in the game for students is very simple. You've got to attend full time. Skin in the game for students is you've got to study and you've got to put everything on the line to get out of here. And when you think about it, no one's got more skin in the game than the student who is trying to improve their quality of life. Am I right? I mean, that's plain and simple.